In our previous video, we have already covered what TCP dump is, and today we'll be seeing its Windows counterpart, that is Windump. So basically, Windump is Windows version of TCP dump. Okay, it can help you analyze the network traffic to look for signs of an active malware. It comes in two parts. First is a set of network capture drivers called the WinPCAP, okay, which is used to obtain packet level access to network interfaces in the computer. Second is the program itself, that is Windump, which is invoked from the command line after you have installed the WinPCAP library. And this is how Windump works.
If you like the video you just saw, please consider hitting the like button and letting us know. Also, subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends. Stay awesome and see you next time.